Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So this is an AliExpress haul. I wanted to try out some shorter tips. Compared to my fingers, these are going to be very, very short. I don't know if they're going to work, but hopefully they will. Because there are days I don't want long nails, or I don't always like to have long nails, so I figured this will do. And then I got these. I'm not exactly happy with this. This is more orange when I read the reviews. So it'll be fine, I guess. There's just different cookies and stuff. I'll show you when I open it. And then this is supposed to look like chocolate. And I'll show all these when I open it. This, I'm just going to show a photo of what it is. I'm not even going to bother opening it. It's supposed to be gold and I think silver. It says metal painting gel is for your nails. And then I just got another case. So these are the pieces. There's such little clay pieces of chocolate. There's bows, hearts, moons with bunnies and stars and flowers. So here are the cookies. Different kinds. It's fine. I'll just paint over them. Or just add more brown to it and stuff when I go to use them. This is all the AliExpress stuff I have so far. Here are the nails. They're very short compared to my thumb. And it comes to 5 in a bag. That is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.